Hello friends, in our last video we had discussed that at a higher level CE writing also took place and it will be very difficult to have some panic in CE writers camp, and accordingly if we see Bank Nifty closed below 38,500 mark. It was really very difficult for bulls to bring some panic in 39,000 CE strike price and to have an expiry above their average price. Accordingly, if we check, we saw that the open high was same, and accordingly throughout the day, though Bank Nifty moved in a tight range of less than 400 points, to be very precise, the range was less than 350 points, but moves were a bit wild, and it was in a tight range, which gave very less chance that a option trader can have a good expiry trade. Now if we check a daily chart, then on the daily chart, somewhat, not exactly, somewhat with some leverage, we can say that the last three candle formation is a evening star kind of a formation, and we need to have a follow up for more downside, or downside can only be confirmed if we see exact requirement of this evening star formation is completed today. Still, broadening wedge upper trend line touching is still pending. It is a matter of time whether we will be able to touch it or not. Now if we apply RSI on this, then RSI has given some hint that it may go down. The reason being, it has almost touched 70 levels, and from that level it is going to come down. This is what the current structure says. Now if we refer to 1 hour chart, then on 1 hour chart already our rising channel pattern touch points is being done, and accordingly if we consider, now it is probably a time for some breakdown. The reason being, required touch points are already done and this may lead to some breakdown today. But the thing that matters is about what could be the intensity or the downside that we may see. Reason is simple, we have now budget expectations, and accordingly bigger downside probably is limited, but all depends that what is the exact structure and the average level of put writers. Now if we check 38,500 strike price put option, then OI is about 38,000. 37,500 strike price put option, OI is near to 33,000. That means already some backup plan or required arrangements are in place for 38,500 put writers, so they may not come into the panic accordingly, as they have already adjusted their positions for 37,500 and 38,000 strike price put options. On the higher side, if we talk about, good build up can be seen at 38,500 and 39,000 strike price call options, which may act as a resistance. These two strike prices are really very important, and accordingly we need to check that what are their average writing levels and whether at any given stage any panic is possible or not in CE writers camp. Now again if we go to the daily chart for Nifty, Bank Nifty, then if we apply smaller time frame moving average, especially 2 SMA, then we can say that with some leverage, I repeat, with some leverage, not exactly as per the previous record, but somehow some reversal action or some reversal hint is being given by this particular two moving averages like it had at a earlier time in the month of December or so. So going forward, traders should especially look for last trading session high and previous to previous trading session high as a strong resistance. Any close above that may lead to more upside for minimum 1500 to 2000 points. Today we are expecting a range of maximum to maximum 39,000 to 37,500 or near about, and it may not end up into any major breakdown today. We hope this video is going to help you to prepare your trade plan and take the trades accordingly. See you friends with another video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.